Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing today? I hope y'all are having an amazing weekend. Today we decided to stop at Culver's. So let's get a thumbnail and then we'll talk about what we have. Alright, that'll be alright. So we're trying out the new setup. I'm using the tripod today. So let me know if you like this. Let me know if it's okay. If not, try to finagle it to make it look better. So today I have a butter burger here. And then I got cheese curds, of course. So let's dive into these cheese curds. I love a good cheese curd. They're so good. Probably my favorite thing that they have. I also have marinara sauce. I know they have onion rings and fries. He got a bacon burger and then their fries, but these are just so good. I feel like you can't go to Culver's unless you get a cheese curd. I have never had their onion rings, so I've only been to Culver's twice. Once, I left work for a break or something, and I ran through the drive-thru and just got
we've been to Alabama.
and just got some cheese curds one time. Get into this burger. Oh my gosh, it looks so phenomenal. And the second time we had it, we were together. We were in Alabama somewhere.
Yeah.
We were traveling somewhere and we got them. I personally love a smash burger in comparison to a thick burger. I don't like thick burgers like that. But it is right up my alley. I did not get tomato, so lettuce, cheese. Or I did not get pickle. Lettuce, cheese, tomato, mayonnaise. An onion.
It's a good onion too.
You like yours?
Yeah.
This is good. Y'all like Culver's? And I would say they're pricey, but not really. I mean, 28 bucks for 2 meals. Legit. This is a top tier burger, for sure. It's a beautiful day out today. 73 degrees, sunny. We're not doing a whole lot this weekend. After this, we're gonna run to Marshall's. See if I can find some more clothes. This is good. And then tonight, we're gonna go out with the family and hang out. It's so good. Hang out with the family. Probably go do dinner. So what I want to talk about, I know everybody experiences death in their lifetime. And a lot of your close people pass away. And a lot of those close people are like the ones that like held everybody together, kept, the family united. Excuse me. So when that happens and somebody that's a very vital, important to your life, to your world, to your family, when they pass away, in your experience, has your family stayed together and are stronger than ever now? Or has your family kind of like separated? Y'all don't get together that much. Family meals and get-togethers and outings don't happen as much. And I ask that because, so like my stepmom down here has a few really good friends, and I've been talking to them about hanging out and doing like really fun things, because I feel like it's important now that grandma has passed, which was her mom, to keep everybody upbeat and positive and having fun. So I'm trying to keep everybody together. Oh. Because I feel like for myself, y'all know I've been working on myself, and then to have that positive interaction with people, and then to keep Brandy, my stepmom Brandy, to keep her, you know, out and active and having fun and enjoying life and experiencing. Well, I think that's important. So let me know in your experience, if do your family members and friends, when someone that is the one, like the glue that holds everybody together, do y'all stay strong and get stronger, or do you guys go your separate ways? But I told them, like, we need to get together more often. We need to do a lot more things. Like, I sent them a few options, like taking a sushi making class or a glass blowing class. Going to the beach and doing, like, picking up seashells. I found a restaurant today that is like boba tea and ramen noodles. I'm just picking out a bunch of like girls things we can do. Well, I feel like life is stressful enough, and then when you lose important people in your world, it's just, it brings a whole new element to your life. And you guys know I'm all about being out here experimenting and having fun, like living life. So I guess I want to make sure that my stepmother still enjoys and has fun and surrounded by those positive people that love her and encourage her. So it's important that we get together and we have our girl time. We get together and everybody has their couple time and we go out and have fun. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I was making sure. The food was good?
Yeah.
You want to try cheese curd?
I've had several.
Oh, you ate my cheese curds in the bag?
They're in my...
This ain't no boyfriend tax.
they're in my thing.
Well, you could have put them back in my thing.
No.
What a scandal.
I knew you wasn't going to give me one, so I'm like, well, somebody was looking out for me.
You thief.
Okay. You stole my candy today.
That'll be okay. So yeah, I just feel like it's important that we continue our strong bond. So I've been trying to put things together for us to do. I mean, it doesn't have to be every weekend, maybe like once a month. Keep everybody happy. Keep everybody positive. You just have your daily stressors of life and work. If you have kids, like, I don't know, like, I'm all about just going out there and seeing what this world has to offer. And I want to make sure the few people that I have in my world feel like that as well. That's my thoughts. Let me know your take and your experiences that you have. This burger's a 10 for sure. I don't know what other fast food places are better than this. But I love, for one, cheese curds are amazing. But I love a smash burger. They're bomb.
I don't need them all.
Oh, don't move. Okay.
Listen to what I do right here.
You're lucky we're recording right now. Or you would have pulled back the nub coming over to my food.
You took my candy today. My favorite
I don't give a crap.
candy. That I bought for me.
Wow. Now who's being selfish?
That's my caramel.
Yeah. Yeah, let me know if any other places. I don't know if it's a smash burger or what we have a little ways away, but this burger right here, oh, it's bomb. I would definitely go back. But yeah, Saturday, which is today, I won't post this till tomorrow. We're all gonna get together, have a nice dinner, cut up, share some laughs. Cause you have to. Like, you have got to surround yourself with positive people. Get out there and create them new memories. I'm a few years away from 40, and I ain't got time for all the extra BS in my life no more. Nope. And then Sunday, I'm gonna go get my pedicure finally. And then that'll wrap up the weekend. This was filling for sure. Would you come back?
Yeah. I like it.
The bacon had good flavor.
Oh, yeah, it was real bacon too. The onions were real good.
Yeah, this was tasty. Let me know what y'all's favorite thing to get at Culver's is. This is mine. A good cheese curd. Ooh. Last bite of the burger. And I'm gonna let y'all go be amazing.
Let me go be amazing.
What?
I wish you'd let me go be amazing.
Or you go do what you want to do. Ain't nobody over here holding you back. All right, y'all. Let me know. I'm working on getting a new table or something because I know it's better when I have everything up. But I hope y'all are doing great. Let me know how your week's been, how your weekend is going, and what you got going on. And I'll see y'all in the next video.